Hey guys, what's up? It's Louis with another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a butterfly knife, okay, out of Lego. So let's get right into it. This is the butterfly knife. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so let's just see what you're gonna need for it. Second, okay. For this, you're going to need anything from any set that would make it look like a knife, or you can just use another one of these pieces. You're gonna want like the pieces with all these holes, okay? You're gonna want flat pieces. Then what you're also gonna want is this, but it comes with this, so you're gonna want one of these and another one of this with the flat pieces. So let's get right into it. So guys, when you're starting, right? Oh yeah, I also have to mention, you're gonna need one of these or anything really on the end to close it, because there's all the extra piece. Close it. I just like this because when you're bringing down the blade, it gives you extra grip. So yeah, you can see. Okay guys, give me 1 second. This, you slip that through there, okay? So this goes in. Then this goes through. And then you put this piece right there, and this is what I said about the end. I'm just gonna put that like that. Okay guys, but just because, like, for reasons, so I can grab it easier, I decorated it too. Okay, that's how it is, and then as you can see, wait, guys, 1 second, and there, and there. Okay guys, so 1 second. I'm sorry guys. So yeah, I had to quickly make a little adjustment because I put my decorative piece wrong. So yeah, so it should look like this for now. I'm gonna take your blade, put it on, and then snap on, and there you go. To make a closing mechanism, just close it like that. Get one of these pieces, or it could be a bigger or smaller, your preference, but I like this. You need the 3 actually. See, it holds it nice and good there. And then, when you're ready to use it, you squeeze, it pops out, and you're ready to use the knife. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, the perfect turning butterfly knife, and like and subscribe for another video.